Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming where you'll store files and why that matters. Cloud for offsite safety, external drive for full control. Once done, grant the gallery or backup app permission to access photos, storage, and run in background. This avoids failed uploads. Make sure you're on stable Wi-Fi and your battery is above 50% so transfers don't abort. Finally, pick the first album or date range and start a selective upload, so you test settings before moving everything. Now you organize to reduce duplicates and speed transfers. Sort by date or album and rename folders so restores are simple. Choose upload quality intentionally. Original preserves full resolution, compress save space. Be aware of GB costs. Use the app's Wi-Fi only and background upload options to avoid mobile data charges and interruptions. For large videos, stagger transfers. Upload one big file at a time so the process is reliable. Keep the device unlocked if required. Finish by verifying. Open several backed up photos and videos to confirm files and metadata match. This step prevents silent corruption. Once satisfied, enable automatic scheduled backups daily or weekly so you don't rely on memory. If files are sensitive, turn on encryption and keep one offline external copy for redundancy. If something goes wrong, check permissions, free space, and network status first. Reauthorize the app and restart the upload. If uploads still fail, export a test file manually to pinpoint the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.